Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a different type of stream where I'm working mainly in Blender and Unity, as opposed to usually working in MMD on a dance. By the way, that dance still isn't done yet. I still have not finished the Chicado Chica Chica dance. But right now, I'm focused on figuring out why my little Froppy skirt model isn't working. Now, just to show you what I'm talking about, we got this right here. It doesn't have the texture file. It's not loading the texture file. That's fine. This Froppy model, I worked very hard on the skirt. The skirt was like see-through. It had a lot of splits in it, and I spent a lot of time fixing it up. And then when I went to put it into Unity, it shows up as an error. It's just an invisible model, and it's not fair. I spent so much time on it, only to have it just bug out and it won't work properly anymore. So we're going to start all over from the very beginning. And I'm going to put it on file, you know, I'm going to be recording it and streaming it at the same time. Because I want to know what goes wrong, if it goes wrong again. Of course, knowing my luck, it probably won't go wrong again. Everything will probably work fine. Oh, there's an update. There's an update on the Blender plugin, Cats plugin. I wonder what they did. I gotta restart the program. Did it already forget that I didn't want it in full screen like this? Getting in the way of my chat menu. Alright. Now in Blender, I have already downloaded all the plugins that I need to do this, and since I'm mentioning it, I'll put it in the description right now. Look up what's his name? Tuppers? No, just look up VRChat megatutorial on YouTube to learn how to get started making models into avatars for VRChat. Like that. Alright. Now I've already got all the plugins and stuff, so I can just jump into importing the model. We're going to import the original school Froppy model right here. That's a PMX file. And I'm already getting an error. Let's see. So I updated the plugin, and now it won't. What's up? What's up, RJ? It loaded that model just fine. Why? It won't load the school Froppy anymore. Interesting. Runtime error. Trace back most recent call text. Foundation, script error, script error. Unsupported PMX version 2.1. What are you talking about? It's all the exact same model. The only difference is the name of the file. And it loads up casual Froppy just fine. Man, I didn't even get started and it's already giving me troubles. Loads up Gym Froppy just fine. Yeah. That doesn't make any sense. Let's try the original one, the one that I didn't edit yet. Where is it? Suyu... Swimsuit uniform 1, I think? Wow. That's just wow. Something happened with School Froppy in the PMX form and it won't load it up. That's ridiculous. I guess I kind of lied. I have to go back to PMX editor. Okay, that's awesome. Alright. School... Wait, is it Uniform 1 or Uniform 2? It's actually Uniform 2. Oh, maybe it won't load up Uniform 2. Let's find out before I do that. Troubleshooting! Nope, loads up that one too. Good, it's just the VRChat intro music. Alright, look at that, it loads up that one just fine, but for some reason the one I edited and took a lot of time in PMX editor to fix, it won't load that one. Oh man, I have to start at the very, 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 very beginning. Alright, move that over there, take that to move it up here. Whoops. Down like that. And then, what did I have to do with this girl? Whoops. Whoa. I think I just need to remove some unnecessary polygons that get in the way. My brain isn't working right now. I wasn't prepared for this. Let's see, display settings. Change that to a black background, make it easier to see. And then, what else do I need to do? Deselect all. And then that's the body, the legs, the fingernails, the neck, underwear, one side of face, other side of face. Oh, those eyeballs can go. Yes. Okay. Don't want to mess with the eyebrows. There are the eyes. Okay. Those can go. By the way, for those of you curious, you're following along and you're seeing what I'm doing. I right-clicked and I did all non-check to deselect everything, and each one is a material that I click the checkbox on to have it show up. And then I left-click and drag it over the thing I don't want, and I hold Shift and hit Delete. And I hit Enter, and it goes away. And then eyes are there. Don't need that blush anymore. So Shift, Delete, Enter. And this tie. There's a shirt. Shoes. Those shoes are extremely high polygon. Soles of the shoes, oddly enough. And then the dreaded skirt the skirt that looks just fine in BMX Editor, but boy, does it not look fine in Blender, and especially not in VRChat. Yes, yes, RJ. This is the one that was invisible in Unity, and I have to start all over on it. I took it and gave CC the Blender file, and he tried to figure it out, and he was just like, I hate to break it to you, but you're probably gonna have to start all over. I was like, yeah, I was pretty sure that would be the case. Okay. What else? What else did I do? I don't think I did anything else. I think that's all I needed to do. I don't want to do much else because I don't want Blender to be upset at me. So let's save it and overwrite the one that doesn't work. School uniform, white t-shirt. And hopefully it loads up in Blender. It does. Okay. Awesome possum. Now it's loaded into Blender. I just click the Fix Model button with the Cat's MMD plugin, and it should fix it and make it look pretty. Just like that. Now the annoying process of making it optimized. I want to start by translating everything, make it easier to know what I'm doing. And then the first thing I need to do is I need to isolate the visines to the face, because right now the visines are registered on the whole body. So we will right click on the bone skeleton, hit H for hide, and we'll hide the bones like that, and then we'll right click on the body so Unity knows, Blender knows that I'm interested in what the body is connected to. Then I'll hit A for all. I'll do that twice, and then I think I hit mesh separate. By the way, I hit the space bar. What do I not need to do, RJ? I don't know how much lag there is on the stream, so I don't know what you saw me do. Why do you say I don't need to separate stuff? I definitely do, because you're going to see why in a minute. Because later on, because as I'm going through the process, there's definitely a good reason for separating the materials. Like for example, you look at the triangles. You probably can't see it now. It's 71,000 triangles on this model, and about 60,000 of those triangles are the shoes. So I need to separate the shoes at the very least, and then go to the wrench. Yeah, add the modifier on the shoes to decimate, and then ooh, it's lagging because there's so much crap in these shoes. There, that should be fine. Oh, that was the other. I got ahead of myself. I forgot. Okay, before we do that, right click on the shirt, hide it, hide the body, hide the tie, hide everything but the face. Get the shoes out of there, and then right click on the head, AA to select everything, and then I think it's Alt J to join, or is it Control J? It's Control J. Okay, now that face was actually several pieces, and now I've joined it all together. And I think I just hit Alt and H to unhide everything, rehide the bones, whoops, hide the face. Before I do the next step, now I can apply. No. That's right. Ugh, I haven't done this in so long. Right click on the body, A for everything, then go to the little, where is it? Is it hiding? It is. There it is. There it is. These are all the shape keys that need to go away, and the head is invisible, so it won't be affected. And to just get rid of them, you go to the shape key box and you hit this little minus key. There's a lot of them, so I'm going to do this rapid fire. Okay. Now all the shape keys are gone from the body. Now I can decimate, because it wouldn't let me decimate anything unless the shape keys were gone. Oh, god dang it. I thought I did everything. Come on. Alright. Alright, hold on. Let me just right click. A for everything. Control J. Joined everything. Now I can get rid of the visemes and not worry about different parts of the body having them. Okay. Now I separate them again by material. Now I can select the shoes. Now I can add the decimator. I'm just going to type in 0.2. Apply. And we are down to 28,000 triangles instead of the 71,000. Just from the shoes. The shoes are cancer. Then I'll just lower I'll decimate every other part just a little bit to give me that extra efficiency. There. Oddly enough, I can't apply any decimation to the hair. It completely destroys it. Even a tiny, tiny bit. Okay. Now the tie. There we go. Now we are down to 23,000 triangles. And that's about as low as I can get it without hurting anything. I don't want to decimate the skirt, because the skirt is like giving me the biggest problem. I don't even want to hurt it. So now that's decimated, and we've lowered the triangles a lot. We'll right click on part of the body, hit A twice to select everything, and then join everything. Yeah, it's weird. This person's clothing that they used on this model has got to be from various different sources, because they're all so different. Some of them I can decimate a lot and it doesn't affect it any, and then like the hair, you touch it at all and it's just like bleh. Alright, now I hit Alt H to unhide everything. So now the face has all the visemes in it, nice and safe, and the body has no visemes, and it's been decimated, and it's been brought down in triangles, so it'll make it faster to load and more efficient. So I think I should be able to get away with doing eye tracking now. I need to select the right body, because now it's in two parts. Oh, that's something I forgot to do. I forgot that now I can join them both together. I can totally do that. Let me hide the bones. I don't know if I have to hide the bones for now, but I'm going to anyway. Then Control J. Now everything's 1. There we go. Create eye tracking. Start test, see if it works. It did. Yep. Okay. The mesh containing the eyes has to be named body for eye tracking to work. That's kind of dumb. I don't know where to rename it. I never renamed it before. Is it an armature? There it is. Can I rename it here? Yes, I can. Hey, I'm smart. Body. Okay. Now do I get that error message? No error message. Okay, cool. Then we'll do the visemes. Create visemes. Cool, done. Then we'll optimize. Before I work on the skirt, I wanted... It did it again. I just glanced up and it did it again. What did I do, Rujin? I mean, RJ? What did I do? I didn't do anything weird. Her bones are all gone except for the eyes. They're not hidden. Oh no, they are hidden. Wait. They are hidden. Okay. That was weird. The 2 eye bones appeared, and then it scared me. And why am I in pose mode? When did I go into pose mode? I should be in object mode. What is happening? I'll stop testing. I'm not testing. Yeah, I stopped. Wait. If I go on that... Oh, okay. Ah. I got scared. I thought I did something and I didn't realize what. Okay, everything's fine. Everything's fine. What was I doing? Optimizing, save the atlas. That's where I was going. I wanted to save the atlas and I wanted to get it into Unity, so I wanted to make sure that everything I've done so far didn't break anything on Unity's side. Okay. Where do I need to go? Documents. Unity Project 2, Assets, School Froppy. Copy that path. And then... File... Save as... Put in that path. Name it School Froppy. Now we're gonna go into Unity. So it'll start loading. Then while that's loading, go back to Blender. Now that I've saved that blend file, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the skirt. Now that we're in Blender, you can see the problem with the skirt. It's got those lines that you can see through it with. And it's all around the thing, which is just painful. So, we're going to hit tab and go into edit mode. Like that. I'm trying to remember what to do. Oh yeah. We will make sure that vertex select is selected in this little button down here. Then we'll just left click on the points of each vertex, then hold shift and select the point right next to it so that those two are selected together. And then I forgot the key. I forgot the keys. Merge, Alt M. Go Alt M and then merge at last. Now those two are merged, and if I go back into object mode, you can see the line has disappeared a little bit. Now we gotta find it up here. Which is probably this one. Hold shift for the other side. Alt M, merge at last. And then go back, and now that line is almost completely gone. Just have this one left. Well, this is the hard part, because if you can see it, there's a lot of little bitty know-nothings in this small area that makes it impossible for me to grab the vertex that I need to grab. So I'll click on one, hit H to hide it, find another one, hide that, find another one, hide that, find the last one, hide that, hit Alt H to unhide, and all of those are still highlighted. So now I just go Alt M, merge at center, and then go into object mode, and the line is gone! And I basically have to do that all over the freaking skirt. Now let's go into Unity and see if it loaded in. There she is. Let's drag it over. There she is. And then, did I do the atlas or did I forget? I forgot to do the atlas. Okay, we need to do the atlas. We'll put it in the atlas folder. Boom. Did it. Go into the atlas folder here. There it is. Go to materials. Go ahead and delete that. Don't need that no more. And then go ahead and delete these missing prefabs. Delete. Delete. Go by. Go by. By. And then click the little arrow to show the body. Take the combined material, drag it and drop it on the body. Oh, that's not the way it should look. That is not the way it should look. Huh. So why did it do that? Could not create asset. Combine image .ping. File could not be read. So this is the old one. That's why it didn't work. This is the one that should work, but for some reason it didn't go in there. Let's rename it. Let's rename it to School Atlas, I guess. Delete the meta file. Delete that. Delete that. Don't need any of that. Go into Unity. Let it do its thing. And let's try and drag and drop that one. And it still didn't work. Okay, delete it, delete that, go back to Blender, oh, that wasn't checked, maybe that did it, I don't know, save Atlas again, no materials to save. Well, I'm not using an FBX, I'm using the Blender file. And it won't let me save the atlas again. It says no material selected, but I clearly have it selected. Alright, I was thinking about doing that, but let's undo everything. Oh, it won't let me. It will not let me. Oh wait, did it? Okay. It will let me. It was loading, I guess. Generate material list. Okay. Update it. Okay. Save Atlas too. This time I'm going to save it to the desktop. And I'll drag and drop it in. Okay. Alright, it's done. So I'll drag and drop it into this folder. Still didn't work. Sick. I love it. I haven't even gotten to the skirt issue. Like I'm struggling with something that shouldn't. Yeah, I didn't save it again. No, because oh. Alright, well, I'll go ahead and save it. Because it seems to be working fine, so I mean it's at least showing up in Unity, so that's good. So now that I saved it, it's gonna update in Unity. It's taking a while, as it usually does. Okay. What's this? This is an invisible model that shouldn't be here. Oh, it's old FBX. It doesn't need to be here anymore. Okay. So now, let's try it again. Okay. Hooray! Spent too much time on that. It looks awful, so I need to put Synergen's shader on it. Boom. Change opaque to cutout. Okay. And you can see the lines in Unity here, except for that one line that I fixed already, so that's already showing up properly in Unity. It's good signs. Well, but I'm not done yet, so I'm not getting my hopes up yet. Now let's go back into Blender and continue what I was doing. Painstakingly fixing these seams. It won't let me click the other side, so I'm just going to hide it and do that. Alt H, Alt M, merge it last. It's just faster for me to just hide everything when I click on it. Okay, looks like there's a little bit of a spot right there. Did I grab it? Looks like I grabbed it. There we go. Back to object mode. There's another seam that is fixed. H, click, right click H, Alt M, add center. Right click H, right click, Alt H, Alt M, at last. Whoop, whoop. Curses. What button do I press to do this? There it is. Holding control lets you zoom in based on how much you move the mouse. Hide that, hide that. Alt H, Alt M, at center. Hide that. Click on that, Alt H, Alt M, at last. There's another one done. Whoop, whoop. H. Whoops. Yep, I have to hide everything, otherwise it won't let me click everything that needs to be clicked. There's another scene that's done. I better start down here first. It's hard to see. H, M, center. Another one that's done. Sorry I'm being so quiet. I don't really know what to say, because I've already said. Oh, hey, Tomoko. I've already said everything that I can say. I'll just be repeating myself. Alright. I'll just be sitting here. Yep. I'm right clicking again. Guess what I'm doing next? I am right clicking again. And then I am holding shift. And I'm hitting H. There's another scene that's all done. What was that? I saw something. What was that? I saw something. It appeared and then disappeared. Let me change to rendered mode and lag my computer to death. I swear I saw something, but I can't see it now. Oh well. On to the next one. So I'll right click on, for anybody joining late, I am in vertex select mode, I am in edit mode, I am right clicking on one of the vertexes, I'm hitting H to hide it, and I'm right clicking on the next one, hitting H to hide that. And when I hit Alt H, it unhides them and keeps them selected. So now I can hit Alt and the letter M to merge those together at the center. And it gets rid of that broken seam. Whoop. And I'm just repeating that process very quickly, over and over. to make it go by faster. I didn't put those there. They were already on the model. If it was me, they'd be green. There's another fixed seam. I see there's a problem right here. I don't remember that ever being there. I wonder. Let's hide that and that. Grab that. Because it's an atlas, it's already been atlased. I have to go into the atlas and mess with it. I don't really want to. Well, it's probably this one right here. Whoop, where is it? It's probably this blue spot right here, and it's got different shading about it. And so I don't want to have to mess with that. So let me see here. Oh, let's change to face select mode. This button right here. Grab a face, grab that face, holding shift, selecting them all. Right there, and then creep it out a little bit. And then Alt H to unhide. And then there. Looks a little better. Now onto this seam. Going back into vertex select mode because face select mode won't work. Oops. Water. Is it Dasani? Dasani? Is it Dasani water? H, Alt H, M, center. I lost the seam. What's this? H, Alt H, M, center. H, Alt H, M, center. I can't see it. Oh, doesn't look like it's split, but I'm still gonna get in there. Oh, I can select it from the outside. Okay. I'm gonna move it in a little bit. So it's on the inside of the shirt. Yep. Now I'll move this one in a little bit too. Like so. Okay, one more seam down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go. Whew. Now, if I finish doing this and it decides not to work in Blender again because I finished doing this, I'm going to be a little upset. And that is it. All of the seams appear to be fixed. I don't see any issues. Let me take a... Oh! Oh, look at that. Do you see that? Where are you? There's a hole in her shirt. So, now here's the problem that I don't know how to do yet. I know it's possible to do it. There's no point for me to connect that to. You know, this point is over here, this point is over here, but this point is in the middle of a blank spot. I can't connect it to anything. So, me being dumb, here's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to go into the face select mode. I'm going to select all of the faces in this vicinity, like so. Then I'm going to go down to the mesh button, go to faces, and see what happens if I do beautify faces. Okay, it changed it a little bit, but it didn't add anything. So that's the thing I don't know how to do. I don't know how to make another vertex point like down the middle here. So all I can do is select it and come in real close and try to line it up, but it's not going to be connected. Line it up like that, and I guess I can bring it up a little bit so it looks like it's there. And this one, there's a problem with the neck in here too, isn't there? Other than it being two different colors, I mean. Again, the vertexes are not lining up. So all I can do is just kind of push it in and hide it a little better. There's another one broken right there. another broken one. There's another broken one, but I can connect these two. Then just move it over a little bit to line it up better. Are none of these connected? They're not connected. They're just lined up really well. Interesting. Oh, I get what you're saying, RJ. Yeah. No, that didn't even come into my mind. It's like, there's no way I'd do that. Oh. See how ugly that is? God dang it. You go at the right angle and it shows up real well, doesn't it? I wish I knew how to draw new vertices. That would solve the problem easily. I wonder if I can, if I do that, if I select that, and then select this one, let me hide that, and then at center? Ah! Don't do that. I knew that wouldn't work. Maybe if I put the cursor right there, and then merge at cursor. Nope, it just grabs everything. I want to know how to make a new vertex. I don't think I'll find anything if I Google either. Select the edge, press W and select subdivide, select new vertex, press okay. Maybe that is. Maybe I did get an answer right away. Select vertex, press W and select subdivide. Wow, it was that easy? Son of a gun. Just freaking subdivide. That's how to do it. There. I could do that with the shirt. If I can get to it again. I think it was right here. So select it in face mode and then W subdivide. It's a little off, but I can work with it. And then select that one and W subdivide. And then go back to vertex select mode. Grab the little point there. Hide. Grab that point. Unhide M at last and connect them. Okay. Then do it on this one. That ruined its appearance? No, it didn't. Okay. Boop, boop. Oh yeah, something else that was causing an issue when I had Froppy in VRChat was the toenails would show up through the shoes. in certain instances. See those toenails in there? They would show up through the shoes for some reason. I wonder if I can fix that. Oh no! I can't fix it because I joined them all together. If I hadn't joined them all together, I could have moved the shoe around the foot. Dang. I know what I'll do. I know what I can do. Maybe. Potentially. Maybe if I just delete the toes, they won't show up. Let's go into face select and just grab, holding shift, grabbing all of these. Whoops, don't want to grab that one. And then complete one, complete one, complete one. Without grabbing the shoe, it's kind of hard. Ooh, that does not work. I didn't even select that up there, and it deleted all the way at the top of the thing. Let me try going in here. There's got to be an easier way to select these, right? Let's go to Tools, Mesh Tools, Side Edge, Vertex, Noise. I can't hide the shoe anymore because it's part of the whole body. See the yellow line? When I click on the shoe, it's the whole model now because I joined them together. And as far as I know, you can't unjoin them once you do that. Or can you? Am I being dumb? Hang on. Separate by material. Yeah, it's there forever. Oh, hide the faces above the toes. Oh, so that's what it is. Creating the atlas makes it impossible. So much garbage in these shoes. Crap. Didn't mean to hide that one spot on the toe. And I don't even know when I hit it. God dang it. You know what? Can I just delete this layer of crap that's right here? Whoops. What's up, Sue? You missed all the fun stuff. You missed the part where I was just sitting here for forever fixing her skirt. I should zoom out so you can see now. Whoop, 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 whoop. See? No seam breaking. And right now I'm just trying to make the shoes better because in VRChat my toes would often pop through the shoe. I hate it when it does this. Whenever you zoom in a lot, everything gets super slow for some reason. Like, the zooming in gets a lot harder if you zoom into the center of where the camera is or whatever. Okay. Now, did you get centered, suit? I see the cuss word. Now I'm going to select all these and just delete them and see if my triangles go down a lot. Yeah, we're on the same page, Virgin. It's like the third time you told me to do something in chat I had already said. And then it popped up after I'd said it. Delete vertices. My triangles did go down, but not that much. Now I should be able to hide the toes at least. Or delete the toes, rather. Is there a faster way to select these things? Other than clicking them one at a time? I'm looking and looking. I'm looking for a circle selector. Linked. See. Whoa. Shoot. Yeah, how do I undo it? Oh, I just click, okay. So see, and then clicking, right clicking, it goes away. Okay. Actually, I can get at the bottom of the shoe, that's fine. Whoops, can't get that part though. Oh, and the middle mouse wheel deselects. That was completely by random that I figured that out. Ah, this is so confusing. Okay. Whoops. That was brilliant. Okay. Why aren't these disappearing? Select the white things. Thank you. Okay. Now unhide everything. Hey, we did it. No, we didn't. Son of a gun, look at that. God dang it. Yes, it is middle click. It keeps deleting all the way up to the base of the foot. Why? I'm not clicking anything near the base of the foot. Stupid head. Let me just try the toenails. Because it's really the toenails that we're poking out. Okay, let's try toenails. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Okay. Boop, boop. Okay. Alright. Finally. Oh shoot! How did I miss that? Look at that! There's a freaking... Somebody took a knife to her ankle. Tab. Hide, 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 hide. And then... Let's delete that crap. And then unhide. And now... Go to vertex select, grab that, whoops, hide, grab that, hide, hide, grab that, Alt H, unhide, combine at last, boom, I'm a surgeon. I haven't seen the Pet Cemetery yet. I can't appreciate that reference. Did I fix it all? No, I still see something. Right there. Right there. There's another one. This must be where they put the shoes on or something. Is the other foot like that? Yeah, it is. Click on nose. Whoops. Hold shift, stupid. Not enter, hold shift. And then delete those. Don't need those. Unhide, whoops. Unhide. And then back to vertex select. Grab that. Hide that. Grab that. Unhide. Alt M. Merge together. There's another one. This is probably not together. There we go. Oh, missed that one. There. Well, let me get the other toes out of the way and we're done. Then we'll save the model, the new Blender file, check it, check to see if it still shows up in Unity, and if it doesn't, I'll cry. Let's see, C. Oh. Let's unhide everything real quick. Then C. There we go. Deleted all that crap. Lowered the triangle down to 22,000. And then C. Grab the toes. Whoops. I'm just gonna grab that and then see if I can't just drag it down. See if that'll hide it well enough or not. Where? Then Alt H to unhide everything. Yeah, you can't even tell. You can't even tell. Whoop. Wrong one. Wrong one. This one. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna draw. Oh, I can improve. I can make the thing bigger with the middle mouse wheel. I'm gonna hide everything on the outside of these shoes. Like, whoops, right click, do this. Just got this idea just now. I want to grab the whole goddamn shoe on the outside. Like that. I'm gonna hide it. And then I'm gonna delete. Oh wait, I gotta hide the foot too. This is hard. God dang it. Oh, that worked. Okay. Well, welcome back. I'm trying to do something a little ballsy. I took the outside. I selected all the outside of the shoe. Now I'm going to select what was underneath it and see if I delete it. Whoops. If it'll look okay. Or if it'll ruin it or not. Whoops. That one. Okay, here goes. Ah, that didn't work. Oh well, that's it's almost good enough. There. Okay. I'm done. My eyes are starting to burn. I'm not even in the Unity yet. Okay. Let me check out eye tracking. Test. Okay. That works. That works. That works. Visemes. How do I test Visemes again? They're like over here somewhere, right? Is it this one? No. This one? No. This one? No. Oh, I gotta click on the face. Duh. Or I gotta click on the body. Duh. There it is. So let me check the mouth. Okay. Visemes are working. Time to save. And this is I'm stretching. So now it's updating in Unity. It's going to take a while, and hopefully, when it finishes updating, those seams that we're looking at in the skirt will disappear, and Froppy will not disappear like she did before. Somebody mentioned me in Discord. Oh. They're gone! And she's still there. All is well. I just had to redo everything. Not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay. So now I'm gonna keep on streaming and go through the process that I go through on making her have all of her good stuff. So first thing we need to do is select the model, go to the rig, change generic to humanoid, go apply. I did more. I spent a lot more time the first time because I didn't know what I was doing. You're looking at me doing it again after I did it for hours and hours. So I was able to do it really fast. The first time I did it was the first time I was learning how to do it, and it took so much longer. Come on. Alright. Now she is a humanoid. And we'll add our descriptor. Whoop, whoop. Whoa. Zoom in. Put the view pole down. 1.4. It's a little too high. 0.37. 8. 9. Okay. I think it's 0.078. So it's a little too far out. 0.7. 6. 5. 4. 3. There. Then the lip sync to the Visine blend shape, grab the body, drag it over to the Visine blend shape face mesh thingamajig, and then one at a time select the right Visines for the mouth to open. This is very annoying right here. I love doing this over and over again. I am kind of glad that they put it in alphabetical order though. K sounds, CH sounds, double S sounds, double N. Eh. Eh. Oh. Ooh. Change default animation to female. Drag and drop the sitting override to the sitting override or animator thingamajig. As soon as Unity wants to load, there we go. Standing override, right there. I should already have those set up. Yes, I do. All the breakdown and stuff. Then nothing is in the sitting override. That's fine. I don't have a good sitting animation for it yet. Okay, what's next? She's a humanoid, she's got her view ball, she's got her descriptor, she's got the override, she's got her mouth. Whoop. She's got her shader. I think all that's left now is dynamic bones, but first let's save it. Did that save on the right thing? I don't know where it's saved at, so I'm gonna save it manually just in case. So now, I guess dynamic bone time. So we'll go to armature, hips, get everything out there. Neck, head. And first we'll add dynamic bone to the hip for the skirt. DYN. We've added the component. Now we'll drag and drop the hip to the root box right there. And then all the dynamic bones showed up for the skirt. And I need to go to my folder, my desktop clutter, and find the picture I took from our Discord showing the settings that I need for the dynamic bone. That's not it. Where is it? There it is. For the close, update rate 120, dampening 0.2, elasticity 0.005, stiffness 0.9, inert 0.5. I'm not going to remember all that. 120.2, 005, 95. 120.2, 005, 0.9. I forgot it. 0.5. 0.5. Now, if you notice, it's also connected to her chest. We don't want that. It's also connected to her hair. We don't want that either. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down the hierarchy. We're going to grab the spine. We're going to drag and drop it where it says exclusions. Boom. And voila. Now it's only on the skirt because we have excluded everything above the skirt. So now the skirt should move like a cloth physics, but it's going to cut into her, so we need to add a collider to the hip as well. Now add a bone collider on the hip, and we just gotta change the size to where it's just outside the skirt. Looks like we gotta lower it a little bit. Negative 0.1. Oh, the bone is messed up. That's cool. Negative 0.1. Nope. Positive 0.1. 0.05. 6, 7, 8. There we go. It's just outside the skirt. That should be all I need to do. Now we're done with the skirt. Let's go to the spine, I think. Or is it the chest? We'll put it on the spine. Add a new component, dynamic bone to the spine. Drag and drop the spine into the root, like so. This is going to affect her chest. So we need press physics 90.2.1.8.5.06. 0.006. 90.2. 0.1, 0.8, 0.5, 0.1, 0.8, 0.5, radius 0.06, and then 0.1, 0.1, 0.3. That looks like a mess, doesn't it? To fix that, all we have to do yeah, I think I'm getting on VRChat tonight. I mean, I'm doing all this for Froppy. I want to see how she's working, so I gotta get on once I'm finished with her. Okay. So this needs to be on her chest. Wait a minute. Does her chest not have any bones? Oh no. She doesn't have any chest bones. Is it this one? Well, that's her tie. It's her hair. Her chest bone isn't there. Son of a gun. I don't know how to do bones in Blender. Shoot. Alright, Google came through for me with the subdivide trick, so maybe it'll come through for me with this. Adding bones in Blender. Is it something easy? I don't want to watch a video. I just want to... Editing bones, beginning Blender, armature and rigging, Blender basics. How to add an armature to a figure. I don't want to add an armature. I just want to know how to add a bone. God dang it. Alright. I'm not going to bother figuring that out. I mean, I got the Blender file. I can figure it out later. Just move on to the hair. So that means I need to change these settings. Actually, I just removed the whole component. Okay. Go to the neck. Add dynamic bone there. Drag the neck over to the root. It got the front part of the hair, but not the back part of the hair. Why? Selecting the parent chest and then going into the armature options on the bottom and clicking add bone. Alright, let's give it a shot. Go into edit mode, I assume. No, select the bones, edit mode. There's the chest. Go into armature. Up. Armature. Spine. Yeah, I weight painting. Yeah, I figured it would be... Couldn't be that hard. I can weight paint in PMX editor just fine. Chest. Okay. Now how do I add a bone here? You know what? I'll look it up later. Like I said before. Let's move on. Let's get... I want to get her into VRChat so we can see how it looks. And I can deal with her not having breast physics for the time being. Since I'm using a Blender file, I can always go back to it and upload it, update it. Get off my case, Domago. Hold on. The back of her hair doesn't have bones either. What happened to her bones? Look. What happened? Sorry, Rujin. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Where is it? What am I doing? This one. No, it's not the one. Where are you? This one. There. White t-shirt. Turn off calculation. What the heck is this? What? Where's the... Oh my god. Alright. That's fine. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. I haven't added the settings to it yet. I haven't checked it yet. So, let's go to our neck. Put in the settings for hair, which is 0.2, 0.05, and 0.8. 0.2, 0.05, 0.8. I hit the play key. See what it looks like. Grab the hips, then whoop. So she won't move with the hips. Okay. Oh, I forgot to add the exclusions. her whole body was moving. All right, neck. Add exclusions for the eyes. Drag it and drop it onto the exclusion text. Then that one. The right eye. And then the tongue. I'm assuming the hair is that back thing. Okay. And then hit play again. See if I got them all right. Why is her head moving? That's weird. You think that's what it is? Because I put it on the neck? I was thinking that, but I was like, So let's copy component, remove component, go to the head, paste component as new, and is that it? Yeah, looks like that's all it took. No. Oh, I forgot that part. Forgot that part. Drag the head to the root, not the neck. There. Yay! Wait a minute. Whoops! Let's go to the hips and add exclusions for the lower part of her body. I guess I forgot. I thought I did add the spine. I thought it would. Why didn't it add the legs? Where are the legs at? Oh, they're up here. I'm dumb. Add exclusion for the left leg. Add exclusion for the right leg. Okay. I did that in play mode. Because I'm dumb. So I have to do it again now. Okay. Whoops. Okay. No, it's not YouTube, Codell. Believe it or not, different people who hop in my stream have different results every time. Some people see things within 2 or 3 seconds, and other people don't see it for 10, 20 seconds. When I saw you say, I see Tom's messages, I was like, who the heck is Tom and why haven't they spoken yet? I haven't seen him spoke yet. Am I done? No, I'm not done. One more place to put a dynamic bone, and then we're done. I'll upload it to VRChat and see what it looks like. And that is going to be the tie. Oh no, I still have to do the colliders. So, there's a tie. Let's go to the hips and copy the component values. Oops, not paste. Shoot. Copy component. And then go to the new bone and paste component values so that I don't have to re-enter the cloth physics and then change the root to the new bone. Now it's in the tie. And I can just delete those exclusions. What's up, Tom? Okay, okay. Now I'll take a look. Okay, that's all good. Now all that's left is to do the colliders so that my hands will interact with my skirt, hopefully, if I do it right. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add another collider to the hip. This one is going to be slightly smaller than the one I already have on there. I'm going to copy that, paste the value here, and then change this to 7.5. Whoops. 7.5. No, not that. The radius. 2.19. Okay. And then I need to add a collider to the head so that the hair doesn't clip through the head. I'm just going to go ahead and paste the component I used. And then 0.1. That actually looks like it's okay size. Wait, where is it at? It's a little... There we go. Then raise it up a little bit. It's actually a little too far out. There. Then we'll copy that component. Paste another one. And then make it a little bit smaller, 0.01 to 0.09. That one's done. Almost forgot. Go back to the hips. And, oh no, I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. So I got the head, got the hips. Now I'll put colliders on the hands. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Left shoulder, left arm, left elbow, left wrist, index finger. Add, not the dynamic bone. Add the collider. 0.1, 0.01, 2, 1.5. There we go. Copy component. Paste as new. Paste as new. And then move it. The X one. Negative 0.01, 0.05, 0.02, 0.021, 2.3, 2.5. Okay. So that's negative 0.025, negative 0.05. There we go. We'll just copy that component. Go to the middle finger, paste it. Go back to the index finger, copy the next one, down. Back to the middle finger, paste that one. There we go. And then index finger, copy. Copy component. Middle finger, paste component. I copied the wrong one. Copy this one. Paste. There we go. Then we just scroll down. To those fingers, and we just go to the finger, copy component, go to the index finger, paste it, and repeat it, and it will be correct on the other side. I don't have to redo each collider. Well, you know, Tupper's never gonna know. I doubt he's ever gonna know that I even exist. Plus, who cares? I mean, it's got a setting in it now, right? You just turn it off. I mean, you can invite them if you want to. I just won't be there. There they are. The two main fingers that you use for gestures until we evolve and actually use all 5 fingers in VR. Now that that's done, that's the most annoying part of the whole process. Oh shoot, almost forgot. Almost forgot. What do I have to do? I need my fingers to collide with my skirt, so I need to... I'm having a brain fart. Go to the hips, where the bone is for the skirt. Drag and drop our index finger to the colliders, and the middle finger to the colliders on both hands, so that they will interact with the skirt, like so. And then go to our head, drag and drop the fingers on the colliders on the head so that our fingers will interact with our hair, like so. Now I'm done with that part. Last part remains, the emotes with sound, which should go very fast. Oops, didn't mean to do that. It should go very fast. First thing I need to do is delete these old controllers, because they no longer do anything. And then add the audio clip by right-clicking and going down to audio, add audio source to the hips, and then Control D to duplicate that 4 times. Drag and drop the breakdown clip to that one. Oh, I'm dumb. Delete, delete, delete. Add one audio source, and then do the settings, and then duplicate them after you finish doing the settings so you save time. Change the roll-off to linear roll-off. Change the minimum to 0 and the max to 55. 0 and 55 on the range for VR. And then that's it. And then hide the audio source. Now we can duplicate it 3 more times. Drag and drop the Brigitte Dance to that one. The Happy Hops to the next one. And Hype to the next one. And then I want to rename the audio sources so I know what they are. Write down. Brigitte Dance. Happy Hops. Hype. Okay, and then go to School Froppy, duplicate her, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4, hide the main one, drag and drop breakdown to, oh, before I do that, almost forgot, I have to delete the audio sources that are not the same name. So we name her breakdown. Name her Brigitte Dance. And then her Happy Hops. And then Hype. I did not spell that right. Hype. Okay, now I'll delete the audio files from the dummies that are of a different name. Happy hops. Hype. My breakdown. Happy hops. Audio. Breakdown. Happy hops. Hype. Okay. Now I can drag and drop the animation file to breakdown and birthday dance and happy hops and hype. And then hide all of these. And then turn back on the main one. Hit play to see if anything glitched out. I see a red collider. That's not good. What are you? Why are you there? Do you guys know what that is? In play mode, oh, this time she's not hovering up. But there's that red collider there. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna leave it and hope it doesn't affect anything terribly. I'm gonna upload it now. I forgot to turn off future proofing again. Oh well. Dag burn it. I have to redo the preview picture again. Let's open up MMD. Put her in there, and then go to my library. What should I do? Man, this place is big compared to her. I'm so used to the controls that I've been using in Blender and stuff that I'm having trouble freaking moving stuff around in MMD again. Okay. This is gonna be the preview picture. Uh-oh. My computer lagged right then for some reason. Gonna make her look like she's so bored. So bored in here, in the library. What am I doing here, she wonders. I'll load a pose file real quick for that hand, so I don't have to move every single finger individually. There. And go to File, Render, Picture File. Save it on the desktop. Froppy School. Alright. Now I'll go back to Unity. Desktop, go to project, folder, grab that, drop it in there like so, then go to file. No, go to game object, create a 3D object of a plane, right there. Then rotate it, I think 90 degrees, like so. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm gonna move it in front of her, like that. Drop it, the picture on the plane, like so. Click on the camera. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yoop, yoop. Bring it out. Bring it up. Like right about there. And it should show up just fine like that. I don't like how dark it is. So let's put a shader on it. Lighten it up. And look at the picture again. It's a lot nicer looking. I forgot to do something. Let's open up, open this up in Paint so I can quickly do this. Whoop. There we go. I did an update. Oh, because I moved. Oh, son of a gun. Because I copied it in here. Show and explore. Edit this one. Now save it. There. Whew. And upload. Oh, my head. Closing stuff down that I don't need open anymore. Oops. Save that. I better wait until it finishes uploading. Close that. How long have I been going? 2 hours and 9 minutes. Freaking kill me. Once again, Rujin. Popping in right after I already said something to go with what you said. Ooh. Close that down. This is going to take a minute to load, so while that's loading, I might as well start up VRChat. Kill that music. Minimize that. Gotta wait for it to load up so I can change the size of the game so I can see the chat. Yeah. Complete. Give it a couple of minutes. Okay. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Why is she running normally? Auto crouch, auto prone, Froppy reverse walk, Froppy run, sprint forward. Is it not supposed to be in sprint forward? What the freak? Is it supposed to be in walk forward? I'm assuming that's what I did wrong there. Another thing I did wrong, I need to take off the idle crouch because it looks hideous. And the idle standing. Reverse can stay. Okay. Now let's check out the, oh shoot, I got an invite. Tomoko's spamming me. Look at this. I accepted them both, but I didn't go anywhere. Now Austin is doing it. I accepted, but I don't go anywhere. Just have to go to them manually, I guess. Oh, 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 oh. I get it, guys. We go to worlds. We go to worlds. Oh, oh. I didn't even pay any attention. Okay.
Yeah, I heard you in your stream. I was like, oh, I guess it's right.
What were we talking about, Tom?
I'm trying to remember.
What?
I'm trying to remember.
I need to test the emotes.
Regretting buying games from people.
Yeah.
What about games?
No, you're talking about like buying games for people, then like sometime either they accepted it or sometimes you might regret it because like you'll buy a game for someone they don't like it, but then they don't play it at all, or you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Basically, you buy something for someone, but like they don't use it, so it's like you don't get your money's worth out of it because the person didn't do anything with it. It's sort of like buying a dog a microwave.
You guys don't hear audio, do you?
Let me turn it up. Nope, nothing.
None of the audio is working. Okay.
You fixed this last time, if I remember.
Let's see why that is.
Can you say they're I'm trying to remember. Uh, I forget how you fixed it last time. I just remember you saying it wasn't a different avatar or there's like
Oh,
two avatar tests or something.
the game object is broken.
Oh, okay, that too.
So let's re-add that. There we go. We'll have to do this on all of them, aren't I? Yep.
Oh, I don't know if Codel's still in the chat, but if he's there, tell him I'm gonna kick his butt when he gets on.
You hear that, Codell?
It's kind of weird because I kind of ghosted Codell with my voice chat. When you guys left, I was like, "Oh well, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow." And I just left him. And I put myself on invisible.
Evil, evil.
I feel bad.
You should feel bad. Alright, never mind. It's gonna be reversed now. When Codel gets on, we're gonna beat you up then.
No.
Okay, I'm slowly fixing the problem. Okay. So that should be fixed now. What else is wrong? The skirt. It's freaking flowing freely through my legs.
Oh god, I can see everything.
See what?
Oh, and I forgot the collider on the chest, so the tie doesn't do the same thing. Welcome, Azaki. You came in very, very late. I've been doing this for the last 2 hours. It's new one, 1, 6, 7. Okay. Adding a collider so that the tie doesn't clip through the body.
Wait, do you still hear me from here, Silas?
Yes, I can hear you, Tomoko. Can't hear you now.
Okay. Also, Austin's in the loose section over there in that corner. I don't know why.
Alright, fix the tie thing, I hope. And then next thing I need to do is go to the hips and I guess raise up the collider a little bit. There. And now, re-upload it.
Yep. And hopefully it works this time.
And I hope so. Go ahead and delete the old version of School Froppy. There we go. I keep forgetting to turn off future proofing. God dang it. It takes so much longer.
Yeah, that's another thing I learned too. Like when I had that on, that was the main reason why every time I try to upload it, it'll crash instantly all the time. And then once I unchecked that, Everything works flawlessly.
It doesn't crash for me, but man, it takes longer than anything ever.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it takes a lot. Yeah, it takes really long.
I haven't been doing this for 6 hours.
Oh, I thought you were not gonna read the chat.
Yeah, I haven't been doing it for 6 hours. I checked the OBS says I've been recording for 2 hours and 22 minutes. It's murder.
OBS lies.
Murder on my eyes.
You think Sketch fell asleep?
Who?
You think he fell asleep?
Sketch? He
Oh,
said he
Sketch.
was. No, he said he was getting on early today and staying up all night.
Yeah, that's what I was telling Austin. Like in my Discord is where it says Sketch is playing VRChat. I look at Steam, he's offline. I'm like, wait, what?
Hmm.
And then I checked in the social list, but he's not on. I'm like, oh, maybe Discord's lying to me. But then he said he sees it too, and I'm like, wait, what?
Huh. For those of you on YouTube, still joining in new, I just spent the last hour and a half working on the model or the avatar you see on the screen right now. My voice is going out. I've been talking so much. And right now I'm re-uploading it again because there's some things that aren't working, like there's no sound on the... Whoops. Oh, I'm lagging. There's no sound on the emotes. There's supposed to be sound on the emotes. It's just silence. And the tie is clipping like a boss through my shirt.
Oh my god, I almost just died.
Yeah, I heard that.
Don't die online.
Just like the other man was saying this when he burped. It sounded like a demon was coming out of his mouth. I was like, oh god.
Oh yeah, it was a burp that didn't want to come out. I was just like, it kind of sounded like it. Halfway finished uploading. My poor computer is probably dying. It's like, why do you have all these things going on?
Yeah, your computer's like, kill me.
You got OBS and you're streaming, and then you got Google Chrome open with 10 tabs, and then you got Blender and Unity open, and then you got VRChat open too. What's wrong with you?
Jesus.
As soon as this is done, I gotta get up and take a break. I gotta get up and walk outside and do something else. Give my eyes some much needed focus free attention.
Okay, okay. Oh yeah, then do some squat outside too.
I might do some stretches.
Oh no, you gotta do that thing from One Punch Man. 100 push-up, 100 sit-up, 100 squats, and was it 10, 10,000 something? Or, I forgot how you pronounce it.
10K run.
Yeah.
Still uploading. Taking a lot longer than usual. Can't imagine why. Oh, it's done. It's done.
Yeah.
You complain about it and it'll get finished.
Yeah.
Alright, something. Y'all mute my mic.
Here you what? Okay.
Here we go.
That was tested.
The tie still goes through the shirt a little bit. She's now she's running. She's still not running right. What is this? What is this? Very, very quiet. I'm trying to sneak around. Shh.
Are you hunting rabbits?
Shh. Me. Alright, I messed up something again. I'm not even gonna try to fix it. Let's just check the emotes.
Yeah.
Yay,
No,
that
they
one
work.
works.
Oh, it works.
That one works. They all work.
Yeah,
Okay.
they all seem to work.
Thanks everybody for watching. It's been this long, grueling process. I need to stop. I need to shut everything down, go for a walk, clear my head. I got such a headache.
Bye.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let me save this real quick. Close that. Blender. Save. Close that. And stop recording.